Alright guys, so I'm trying some lumpia with Filipino egg roll. This one I have is my family's recipe, and it has ground beef in it. A couple of vegetables and seasonings. I made them a couple of weeks ago and put it in the freezer, so I'm just frying some up with a friend to try. I'm going to put this on so that they splatter, freeze. This is the sauce we use. Sweet chili sauce, Maypoi, Filipino sauce for the egg rolls. Alright guys, so they're pretty much ready. When you do them from the freezer and you fry them, it's about 5 to 7 minutes. So I mostly go for 7 minutes. So I make sure they're extra crispy. You want the shell crispy all the way in the inside. You want to stand them up because that's where they'll stay crispy. A lot of people like to lay them down and they get soggy quicker. This will make them stay crispier longer. A lot of grease everywhere. We'll clean that up after. It's very hot. Alright. And there you have it with the sauce. And that's the inside of the lumpia. You can dip it in the, and just dip it in the sweet chili sauce.